I'm Miss Ellis. Welcome to English 2. All of your darling babies are currently preparing for the FSA Reading and Writing Assessment. Now, just like 9th grade, they are going to be tested in 4 different areas: reading, writing, language, and listening and speaking. On the board here, I have a Padlet. Now, this link is also in the one sheet that you got when you came to my classroom this evening. This Padlet has just about everything you need to know for my class. Information about the tablets, information about OneDrive. OneDrive is located in your child's student portal. They can access OneDrive, they can access their class notebook, they can message me if they need to. The syllabus, there's a link to the English 2 syllabus here. Their digital textbook, which I will show you in just a moment. Their summer reading assignments were actually due the first week of school. They have been graded and the grades have been input into the computer. If you have any questions, just let me know about that. Now, the first week of school, they set goals. Within our goals, they also did a classroom collaboration project where they set rules for their own class environment. Now, the rules that they created were based on what the students felt like they should follow for the entire school year. These are suggestions from your students, your children, of how they want to operate within our classroom this year. So right off the bat, we started off with collaboration, which is key to success. Remind. Now, the Remind codes are posted in our Technology Center. I will show you that in a second as well. The codes are extremely important because that's how they can get in touch with me any time of the day. It's just like a chat. Now, I do not have your child's number, and they don't have my number as well. So it's a very safe way to communicate with your teacher. Now, the technology sites that they're going to be using this year: NoReadInk for grammar, and these are the class codes for NoReadInk. ThinkCirca for reading skills, the class codes are right here. And ClassDojo for behavior. Now, there are parent codes for ClassDojo. If you would like them, please send me a message. How do you contact me? Well, on my website, missellisliteratureLab.com, you will see classes, you'll see English 2, and that is where you will find your child's information. Okay? You're going to see the Padlet that I just showed you. You're going to see a copy of a syllabus, of the syllabus for this class. They can check their bathroom passes, get updates on tablets. For instance, all the information they needed to know about the tablets, when they were coming out, the fees, they were all on the website. And the bell ringers that we do every morning. Everything is a digital copy. We are trying to be more green this year, so everything your child possibly needs to know will be on my class website. After that, I give the students just a breakdown of what we're doing on a week-to-week basis, just in case they happen to miss class. Now, where do they go to find the readings in our textbook? Well, the link to the digital textbook that I showed you over here on our Padlet is right here. Each of your children in English 2, for my class, have already signed up and have access to their digital textbook. What does it look like? Well, this is grade 10. This is the student ebook. This is an example of what their actual text looks like. So if they have a reading that they need to complete at home, they can do it on their tablet as long as they're connected to Wi-Fi. Now, Wi-Fi. They can do any of the assignments that I assign as long as they save it to their class notebook in OneDrive. This is the text that we were starting off with this week. Okay? What of this goldfish would you wish? The textbook is here. All of their resources are here. The contents, the notes, page view, bookmarks, anything they could possibly need for said text is already there. Now, just in case your child forgets any of the information that's on the class website and on the informational Padlet, they can always come back here to the Technology Center. This is the Technology Center. In this center, all of your children will be able to get all of their class codes. So the Khan Academy codes for my 11th graders, the Think Circa class codes for the English 2 students, and the No Reading class codes are here. Remember that I mentioned Remind? Well, each period has a different sign-up code. So they would just find their code and re-sign back up for the Remind text messages. Now, here's the thing that I know most of you want to know about. How do you contact me? Well, here. You may contact me at any of the sites here. Now, for parent contact, I suggest the school email, drellis@dadeschools.net. I respond usually in 24 hours. If there is anything time sensitive, please let me know in the email. Thank you so much for coming out on this journey with me. English 2 is going to be just a stellar year. All of the students have been so willing to jump in, answer questions, and learn. As you can see, we're here to discover, conquer, and prosper. All of your students will have an amazing year. I hope that you contact me whenever you need me. Have a wonderful night.